How to make every day so profitable you don't have time to scroll, so that you know exactly what to do that generates money, revenue with 100% certainty, so that you can confidently execute during your day and feel proud at the end of the day. Step 1, understanding why you're scrolling in the first place. You're not a normie. You're not one of those slave minds, those cheap folks. No, you are not consuming because of entertainment. You are consuming because you need to learn more things. You need to find the most efficient way of doing stuff. And because you want to find the most efficient way, you don't want to waste time, you don't have time anymore. And so the efficient way is very important. Because you need to figure that out, you consume content, hours and hours of content every single day. And then you start executing on that content. And you feel like you're doing a lot of things, but you're not getting the ROI. Why? Because you're constantly doing different things. You learn something on YouTube, then you execute on it. Some SEO, some titles, some thumbnails, some videos, some posts, some new website thing that you're introducing, some cold approach emails, some whatever it is. You're constantly doing new things. This is the big mistake. Poor schedules look like 16 different tasks every single day to be executed. 15 of those 16 different tasks are complete waste of time. A schedule that will generate money is a schedule where you do the same thing every single day. There's no new stuff going on. You just do the same thing every single day. You identify what is going to generate money. You identify the flywheel. You identify the 20% that makes 80% of the impact. And then you do that every single day. And then the question, of course, becomes, well, what are the things that if I would do them every single day, I would guarantee money coming into my bank account? So let me give you 3 easy, super quick strategies that you can use to figure out which actions are true to your specific business, not generic shit. Your specific business that will generate income that you can repeat every single day. Number 1, go onto your banking app. Open the banking app and scroll in the last 2 months. What you want to identify is money coming into your bank account, and then looking at what actions you've done in order to generate that money. Because the quickest way to generate more money is to do what already generated you money in the first place. If you identify AdSense, make some videos so that you can get AdSense. If you identify particular artwork purchases, do things that generated those artwork purchases for you. If you identify that the majority of your revenue comes from workshops, do something to get more customers in your workshop, or treat the people that already bought things in your workshop better so that you can increase the lifetime value of those customers. And then you do those tasks every single day. The second strategy, in order to do something every single day, and make sure that it becomes part of your identity. Make sure that it's just a natural flow of things for you to do. You have to make it extremely easy. My rule for this is that you have to be able to put it in one sentence that's easy to understand. If you can't put it in one sentence, it's probably a bad action in the first place. A good example of this would be, for example, talk to one new collector every single day. That would be a great action. If you are selling original art, making sure that you talk to one new collector on Instagram. You find collectors, you research a couple of things, you send them a couple of messages, you build those relationships out. Doing that on a daily basis for 1 hour is probably a great idea. And guess what? Now you train yourself to, instead of going on Instagram and doom scrolling all day long, you train yourself to go on Instagram and do the important task, namely the collector task. Now the next strategy is for those who can't execute on the first 2 strategies, because the first 2 strategies are the most powerful ones. But let's say that you don't actually have that income that is coming in yet. You're at the beginning stages of your entrepreneurial journey. What should you be doing? Well, you have to then future cost. You have to actually do the math. You have to think about what product you want to be selling, how much money you want to be making, what the price point of that product will be, and then reverse engineer. I need to sell this much of this product to get out this income. And then ask yourself, what action can I do that generates those sales? A couple of examples of actions that are always a good idea are, but these are generic of course, are building the customer avatar out, because whoever understands the customer best wins the game. That's the game of business. That's the game that everybody is playing. Instead of doom scrolling, you click on a video and you, for example, because you already know how to, like 60% of customer avatar building, you probably already know. So instead of clicking on a video and watching the video, you click on a video, you go to the comments and you see, okay, this comment got a lot of likes, this resonated very deeply, perhaps this is a potential customer, question mark. Perhaps you copy paste it, put it in your customer avatar file or in your audience avatar file, things like that. Or you could be building your landing pages. Landing pages are one of the most converting, one of the most meta skills that you can have, because everything eventually drives towards the landing page. And so building those offers out, making those landing pages stronger, that as an action every single day for at least a couple, like a 2-year period, is probably a great idea. Now, in order to make this video complete, we also have to address the fact that some people are already addicted. They doom scroll automatically. There's nothing for them to do. They've been watching YouTube videos 3-4 hours a day for the last 5 years. Those people first need to address the addiction itself before they can execute on those things. But we are not going to do that, predominantly because I already did in a video. You're an artist. Outwork everyone by being bored. That said, get the hell out of here.